Namaste bachcho. Today we'll start a new chapter, chapter number 13, and the name of the chapter is Lomdi or Bakri. So here Lomdi means fox and Bakri means goat. So this is a story of a clever fox and a goat. So let's start reading this chapter. First we'll start with Kathin Shabd. The first word is Khoj. Khoj means search. Andhere means darkness. Bhaybheet means scared. Dhanyavad, thank you. Chillane means to shout. Let's start reading this chapter. एक लोमड़ी अंधेरे गहरे कुएं में अचानक गिर पड़ी। भयभीत होकर वह उछलने कूदने लगी। मदद करो चिल्लाने लगी। कोई मदद करने नहीं आया। वह पानी में डूबने लगी। तभी पानी की खोज में एक बकरी वहां आई। उसने लोमड़ी को देखकर पूछा, पानी में बैठकर क्या कर रही हो लोमड़ी रानी? Now let's understand the meaning of few words here. एक लोमड़ी means a fox, अंधेरे means darkness, गहरे कुएं में means deep well, अचानक means suddenly. So the meaning is a fox suddenly fell into a dark deep well. भयभीत होकर वह उछलने कूदने लगी. So here भयभीत means frightened or getting scared. उछलने कूदने means jumping. So frightened, she started jumping. मदद करो, that means help me. चिल्लाने लगी, that means she started to scream. कोई मदद करने नहीं आया, and nobody came to help her. Next line, वह पानी में डूबने लगी. Here डूबने means to drown, and she started drowning in the water. तभी पानी की खोज में एक बकरी वहां आई. Here बकरी means goat, खोज means in search of, and the word तभी means then. The meaning is then a goat came there in search of water. उसने लोमड़ी को देखकर पूछा. देखकर means after seeing, पूछा means asked. So seeing the fox, it asked, पानी में बैठकर क्या कर रही हो लोमड़ी रानी? बैठकर means sitting, क्या means what, and रानी means queen. So the meaning is, what are you doing, fox queen, sitting in the water? Next paragraph. चतुर लोमड़ी ने झट कहा, यहाँ का पानी बहुत मीठा है, नीचे आओ तुम भी पानी पी लो। बकरी खुशी खुशी पानी में कूद पड़ी। लोमड़ी झट उसकी पीठ पर चढ़कर ऊपर आ गई, फिर बोली, धन्यवाद बकरी। Let's understand the meaning of few words here. चतुर लोमड़ी ने झट कहा. So here chatur means clever and झट means quickly. So the clever fox quickly said, यहाँ का पानी बहुत मीठा है. बहुत means very, मीठा means sweet. So the fox is saying that the water here is very sweet. नीचे आओ तुम भी पी लो. So here नीचे आओ means come down. पी लो means drink. The meaning is you come down and you also drink this water. बकरी खुशी खुशी पानी में कूद पड़ी. So here खुशी खुशी means happily and कूद पड़ी means she jumped. The meaning is the goat happily jumped into the water. लोमड़ी झट उसकी पीठ पर चढ़कर ऊपर आ गई. So here पीठ means back, चढ़कर means climbed, ऊपर means came up. The meaning is the fox immediately climbed on his back and came up. फिर बोली, फिर means then, बोली means said. Then she said, धन्यवाद बकरी. धन्यवाद means thank you goat. Next paragraph. बकरी बोली, अब मुझे बाहर निकालो लोमड़ी रानी, मुझे यहाँ नहीं रहना है. लोमड़ी ने हंसते हुए कहा, हर काम सोच कर करना चाहिए. So here बकरी बोली means goat said, अब मुझे बाहर निकालो लोमड़ी रानी. अब means now, बाहर means out, and nikalo means to take me out. The meaning is, the goat said, now take me out from this well. मुझे यहाँ नहीं रहना है. So मुझे means I, यहाँ नहीं रहना. नहीं means no, रहना means live. So the goat is saying that I don't want to live here. लोमड़ी ने हंसते हुए कहा. हंसते हुए means laughingly. So the fox laughingly said, हर काम सोच कर करना चाहिए. हर काम means every work. सोच कर means to think. The meaning is, one should think before they act. So the moral value of the story is that whenever you do any work, you should think whether the work you are going to do is right or wrong. And the work that you do should not harm others. And always you should do the right work. So this is the main theme of this story. Now let's move on to the Shabdat part, that is word meaning. And here you can see the first word, Lomdi means fox, Andhera, dark, Bakri, goat, Bhaibit, scared, Uchalle means jumping, Dobna means to drown, Kue, well, Chatur, clever, Pete, back. The last one is Dhanyavad means thank you. Next one is Saman Arth Wale Shabd. So the words which have the same meaning. Here the first one is Bhai. Bhai means fear. The word is Dar. Next one is Madad. Madad means help. The word is Sahayata. Pani means water and the word is Jal. Last one is Soch. Soch means thought and the word is Vichar. Next one is Vilom Shabd, that is the opposites. Ulte Arth Wale Shabd, the words which have opposite meaning. Here the first one is Gehra. Gehra means deep and the opposite is Utla. Utla means shallow. Girna means to fall and the opposite is Utna, to stand. Dobna means to drown and the opposite is Terna, to swim. Next one, Chatur. Chatur means clever. The opposite is Murk, means fool. Next word is Meetha. Meetha means sweet. Opposite is Kadwa, that means bitter. The last one is Niche. Niche means down and the opposite is Upa. Upa means up. So this was the Vilom Shabd. Now you have to write all the Kathin Shabd, Shabdarth, Saman Arth Wale Shabd and Ulta Arth Wale Shabd in your notebook with proper date and chapter number. Next, you can see you have an activity. You have to read the first 5 lines of this chapter. You have to record it and then submit in Teams. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अब हम अगली क्लास में मिलेंगे. धन्यवाद.